Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about the top side hustles where you can earn more. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to discuss everything that has to do with making more money and developing wealth, and today I'm going to present 10 side hustles that we may do if we want to do any kind of side hustle that interests us. Naturally, some are easier to start than others, and some make more money than others. However, with some of them, you have the potential to earn over $1,000 in a single day, if not more. Despite the fact that there are a lot of great videos on the topic of side hustles, our research has shown that the most lucrative online or at home supplemental income opportunities are almost never highlighted on YouTube. This is something that has to be done by people as well, but we won't discuss it until later in the movie. Please click the like button if you find that this kind of material is enjoyable to you. Even though it may seem to be a small act, your support of the channel and encouragement for me to continue providing you with videos and other materials are much appreciated. Now, without further ado, let's get started with these supplemental income opportunities. To begin with, you may assist those who are looking for work by reviewing their resumes and cover letters. This is a straightforward enterprise to start. Create a LinkedIn profile if you don't already have one, and then offer your service on the platform. People are always looking for jobs on LinkedIn, and they are always looking for someone to help them clean up their LinkedIn profiles, resumes, and cover letters so they can get better jobs. The second thing you can do is put your graphic design abilities to the test by experimenting with 99designs.com and creating logos. It's not limited to do things like logos, websites, t-shirt designs, and other such things. On 99designs.com, you'll find everything and anything related to design. The third consideration is your financial situation. If you want me to post videos on the channel in the future on investing, please let me know in the comments that you want me to do so. Investing is the way that you can grow wealthy. At this point, much of the conversation is on business, various methods of generating income, extra employment, and other topics along these lines. The fourth piece of advice that we have for you is to consider getting a job as a virtual assistant. If you are well organized, capable of juggling many tasks at once, and are familiar with how to utilize social media, you may be able to assist a small business owner or even a large business owner in exchange for monetary compensation. This is something that may be done for both sole proprietors and partnerships. You will have the chance to make money while also perhaps saving the life of a business owner if you sign up to be a virtual assistant on a website called Virtual. This website will allow you to sign up for this position. The fifth option is home sitting, which is what I like to refer to as being paid to live a luxurious lifestyle. It's not in everyone's best interest to come back to an empty house, especially if they have a second or vacation property. Instead, they pay somebody to remain in their houses and take care of them while they are away, usually through the use of house sitters. This service is offered on websites such as care.com, for example. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Sixth, you might become a personal shopper and create your own company, which allows you to work for yourself. It is a thing. It is for wealthy people who do not want to buy for themselves, and that is where you come in. There are websites that link individuals who do not want to shop with personal shoppers. You could use one of these websites to connect with wealthy people who do not want to shop for themselves. By going to one of these websites, you may be able to make contact with affluent individuals who have no interest in shopping. Yes, it is a fact that the target demographic consists of wealthy people who despise doing grocery shopping on their own. Participating in a market research focus group is our number 7 piece of advice to you. It is possible that you may get cash remuneration for taking this in a marketing focus group while playing the character that is most natural to you. They want to hear these perspectives because they want to sell their products to all of these different kinds of people. Hence, all you need to do to begin being paid to voice your unique opinion on a product or service is to identify a marketing focus group in your neighborhood and join it. Number 8. Your favorite influencers do not want you to know this, but every time they talk about the product on their Instagram stories and they link in, and you click and you go buy that product, they get some coins out of it, especially when it's linked to Amazon. So, you can become an Amazon associate. But of course, you're going to have an audience somewhere, and in order to achieve it, you must research in advance on how to grow your audience. The ninth option is to start working as a ghostwriter. These days, it seems like everyone and their mother is releasing a book. But if you assume that they all sat down and wrote the book by themselves, you are mistaken. They have other people, known as ghostwriters, do the writing for them. Even though they may have the ones who came up with ideas and may be the ones who hold the rights to all of the material, there are still others working behind the scenes who sometimes wrote for them. They are referred to as ghostwriters. A ghostwriter may make up to $40,000 on Fiverr.com, while a freelance writer has a potential to earn up to $38,000. Therefore, if you are talented at writing and like nothing more than settling down with a pen and paper, you really need to give this a second thought. The last option is to work as a mystery shopper. We are aware that this may appear to be a mystery, but this is actually quite simple. Many companies are interested in the customer experience of their stores, whether it can be their online store or their physical store. They want to know how their customer reps and cashiers are doing, so they pay people to be a mystery shoppers who go into the stores, buy a few items, and document their shopping experience. There are a lot of websites where you can sign up to be a mystery shopper. I really hope that you will be able to summon the courage and self-assurance necessary to begin putting the information from these classes into practice. We take great pleasure in reading the feedback you provide in the form of comments when you tell us how much knowledge you've got from viewing these videos. You won't be able to take responsibility for your own actions unless you are able to conquer your fears and beliefs that hold you back. I am appreciative of the fact that you have chosen to watch. I really hope that you were able to get some insightful knowledge from the video that I just provided. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.